What's up, lawn dogs? We're putting up this fence. I'm being trained on it. This is a 9-foot post. It's 7 foot above ground, and then you got 2 feet under. We were mixing by hand, but it was taking us a while. And yesterday we had done like 5 poles. But when we brought this machine that spins around, and you put water in it, it just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. It's mixing for you. So we were able to do I love the way, angles and stuff. I was crappy in school, but man, I'm being trained on all this, and this is interesting to me. The little orange wire, and you follow it all the way around, and you put the post right in there. And we were putting that gray stuff inside a machine that spins around, and then it would mix it with water, and then you have something called concrete, and then you would pour it into these holes, which stands up these big poles. So I'm learning as I go, but it's real easy, man. With more practice, I'll be able to do more posts, and able to do jobs like this, and then grow my income a little more, and then offer another service other than lawn service and landscaping. So we did all these posts today, me and another guy. So it's about 5 o'clock. We're almost gone, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 7 more. But check this out, beautiful, man. I want to live in the country. I love me the country. But it's wonderful. We'll probably, tomorrow we're gonna be mowing all day. So I don't know if we're gonna finish this tomorrow, which we're not since we're mowing, but we should get it done by Friday, Saturday. Not only will we finish the post, but then, to be honest, I don't know what comes next, because this is my first time doing this. But we'll get it. I'm learning as I go. Not only do I do landscape design on the computer, but I can do the landscape installs. I can mow lawns. I can perfect lawns. I can drop 30, 40, 50 foot palm trees, regular trees on my own. And now I'm learning fencing. So what a blessing that we can continue our education and make money. Have a good one, lawn dogs. Bye.